Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we discuss about access specifier. So let's start the topic. Access specifier. There are three types of access specifier: public, private, protected. If we do not specify any access specifier for the member inside the class, then by default the access modifier or access specifier for the member will be private. This is very important. And first we discuss about public access specifier. So the public specifier keyword, we make a public specifier with the help of public keyword, and it is accessible from any part of the program. All the class member declared under the public specifier will be available to everyone. The data member and member function declared as public can be accessed by other classes and functions too. The public member of a class can be accessed from anywhere in the program using the direct member access operator with the object of that class. So we see example of a public specifier. So see a example. In this example, we create a class named sample which contain a public variable age and the function display age. In the main function, we created an object of the sample class named object1, obj1. We then access the public elements directly by using the codes obj1.age and obj1.displayAge. Because it is a public access specifier we use here, so we can easily access both the functions and both function and the member also. Now see private access specifier. With the help of private keyword, we easily make private members. The members can only be accessed from within the class. They are not allowed to access directly by any object or function outside the class. They are only accessed within the class. Now see example. This is the same program which we use to understand public access specifier. So see, in the main function, the object obj1 cannot directly access the same variable age because it is a private. Age is private, so we cannot access directly. If we try to access this, then it will give us error. We can only indirectly manipulate age through the public function, that display age function. Since this function initializes age within the value of the argument passed to it, that the function parameter int a we make. So we make a here in public, then indirectly we are accessing it. Now protected access specifier. With the help of protected keyword, we can easily make protected members. These members can be accessed within the class and from the derived class. Protected specifier is similar to private access specifier in the sense that it can't be accessed outside of its class. It is mainly used in inheritance. So thank you for watching our video. If this video is useful to you, then please like and subscribe our channel.